What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Flavorgasm Food Review. Is that what I call it? That's what I'm calling it now. To another Flavorgasm Food Review. As you know, recently I've been doing frozen pizzas from time to time, and just seeing what's good out there in the market. Oh my god! I'm sorry, I moved wrong a few minutes ago, and like my side's hurting now. Ow. So today's frozen pizza, I've got frozen pizza and wings. I guess it looks good. It's not even real food. Well, I mean, it's not fake food. It's. Oh, that's gonna piss people off if I say that. This is. Look. It's a vegan frozen pizza. This brand here, what was that? This brand, and it's, look, I tried the Supreme pizza that they have a couple months ago after I had my gallbladder removed and I couldn't have like a lot of fat and dairy and meats and stuff like that. So I wanted pizza. So I had the Supreme that they have. Found it at Walmart. I was like, all right, I'm gonna try this, and I really liked it. It tasted like any other frozen pizza. It was delicious. For the wings, I don't know what this is. This is, was it Daring? Cajun plant chicken pieces. It looks like wings on the package. These don't look so much like wings. I mean, once they were cooked, I mean, some of them kind of look like small wings or whatever. So I know the Daya, I guess that's how you say that. I mean, it's got, what's it say, Daya oat cream blend. So the cheese that melts like dairy, plant-based, dairy-free, gluten-free crust, all the good stuff. But let's see how this one is. The pepperonis really look weird. Okay, I don't have a problem with this one either. This one feels thicker. Kind of chewy and gooey. I guess that's the cheese, but I'm not mad at it. This one's actually pretty good too. Although I'm not vegan by any means. I love grilling and stuff like that, so I can't very well grill a Boston butt or smoke a Boston butt that's not real meat. I don't know how that would even work. But I do a lot of times eat vegan stuff because a lot of it is really good. There's been a couple of times recently that I've made vegan tacos, and they don't taste any differently than when I make just regular tacos. This is good. Now I'm gonna try one of these Cajun chicken. I don't even know. It smells pretty good. It almost smells like Spam a little bit. That's really crispy. What the actual... I'm not gonna say it. How does this freaking taste like chicken? Okay. There's more in this bag than I thought there was. I just made some. They're kind of small. I thought they were bigger, but they started to come apart a little bit. I'm going to be having these with some sweet potato fries or something this week or next week. These, these are really good. Surprisingly good. They look weird. And the texture is a little... I may have overcooked it. It was like... It sounds like 6 minutes a side or something. 5 to 6 minutes. Maybe it's 5 to 6 minutes, like, for both sides. I don't know, but this... Ooh, what other flavors do they have? It's so little on the back, I can't even see it. Hey, way down here, it's really tiny. I don't have my glasses in here. Those are good. Those are fantastic. I will be buying this again. And it was like $6, I think. So not awful. 15 grams of protein per serving. How many servings is 2.5 servings per container, so about 9 pieces. There's got to be more than 18 pieces in this. 130 calories. 15 grams protein, 130 calories per serving, non-GMO, gluten-free. There's a little bit of spice to it too. I'm not gonna lie, like this, I really like this. I thought about getting like a sauce or something. I'm like, I'm probably gonna want to dip these to hide the flavor. No. These are really, like, really phenomenal. I did not expect to like that as much as I did. That pizza is good. I don't even want the pizza now. I just want the wings. I'm happy with this. Yeah, it's all kind of low in fat and good for you and stuff, but it's probably not going to be good for me when I eat all of it, because I guarantee you that I will. I cannot get over this chicken. Now I have to know, like, what would these be like outside on the smoker? I don't think it'd be much different. There almost seems to be like a bit of smokiness or something. What are the ingredients? Water, soy protein concentrate, vegetable oil, spices, which include paprika, chili flake, cumin, chili powder, oregano, thyme, pepper. Love all those. Lemon peel, garlic, onion, dextrose, salt, natural flavor. Like, really good. Really good. Let me try something else that I found. These Poppies. You ever had those? I just recently seen them at Walmart. And I got a bunch of individual cans of each flavor they had. It's a prebiotic soda. We all need a little prebiotics and probiotics, right? 3 grams of sugar. This is a lemon lime, so I'm assuming this is going to taste like Sprite. Excuse me. 25 calories. Contains 3% juice. Oh, I'm not a real big soda person. I recently got started, like, you know, if you saw the episode with the Mountain Dews, I was drinking so many Mountain Dews, just trying all the ones from 2024. So I'm looking forward to this. It's good. Don't taste like Sprite. Tastes like. What does that taste like? Oh, it's the lime Skittle. It tastes like the lime Skittle from the original Skittles. It's not bad. I think I tried a Poppi, like one or two different Poppies, last year when I was in New Jersey. I don't remember what flavors they were though. I like this one. This is good. It's good. It goes with my pizza, and my wings. Alright. I don't know what to say. I definitely recommend these pizzas. I think the Supreme, I like the Supreme more than this one. Personally. They've got others. Let's see. They've got, I don't show it on there, it just shows the cheese and the Supreme pizza. I have tried the cheese, I think, though. The vegan cheese. They have, I thought maybe they had like a 3 meat. That's what I thought this was, but you got the pepperoni, meatless pepperoni. They have one that's fire roasted vegetable. I think there's another one. I think they might have a margarita pizza. But I recommend those. Really good. Highly recommend these. Like, I cannot recommend this enough, really. To be honest. I wish I could see what other flavors they have down here. It is like really, really small. Hold on. 2 seconds. I'm going to get my glasses. They even with glasses you can't see that it's so small. They need a magnifying glass or something. Okay, so they have original Cajun, which I have, lemon and herb, bet that's good, teriyaki, breaded, buffalo, and then they have, that's just like the bags of like the chicken wings or whatever wings. They also have like box stuff like penne primavera, spicy fajita, harvest. It looks like it's got rice and some greens and carrots or something else. Teriyaki, and then also Fly by Jean chili crisp. I bet that's good. Queso burrito. Ooh. Buffalo mac and cheese. Like, man. I'm going to be definitely getting into more things from this brand because very pleasantly surprised and pleased by that, the flavor of those wings. So that's going to be it for me and for this edition of Flavorgasm Food Review. We did another frozen pizza, and I thought pizza and wings, thought I'd throw in this. I found these yesterday. I wanted to try them. Along with the Poppi. Not bad. I have like, I don't know, a bunch more cans over there. You'll see me popping these open through the next however many videos. Yeah. Go out and try these if you're interested, or if you're vegan or vegetarian, or just like wanting to eat a little cleaner, a little healthier, just to diet a little bit. It's kind of what I'm doing right now. As I've been doing these food reviews and kind of eating like shit for a little bit, especially after my surgery when I had to eat better for a little bit, and then there was like, you can eat whatever you want, and I just started eating everything I could possibly find. So yeah, highly recommend both of these. I'm gonna continue eating this, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.